Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to install WhatsApp without Play Store on Android 2025. Let's begin. So, normally you would probably want to go to your Play Store and install WhatsApp from here. However, sometimes this option is not available. Maybe the Play Store isn't available in your country, maybe you are using Huawei phone, which has some troubles with connecting to Google Play since it's banned in USA and all of that. So in order to download WhatsApp from other source, all you want to do is simply go to your browser. Now you want to start typing WhatsApp and you want to type in WhatsApp download, but you don't want to head into direct sites. Instead, I like that. Great, amazing. Let me simply restart the browser, since the browser is it has encountered some issues apparently. Now let's go with WhatsApp download. Okay, now it's working. So in the WhatsApp downloads, we want to scroll down and we want to ignore all kinds of Google Play Store or other applications like, for example, App to Down or App Pure and all of that. We want to head into official WhatsApp.com application site. And now instead of clicking Get It on Google Play, you want to simply hit Download WhatsApp directly. As you can see, it will ask you if you want to download WhatsApp.apk. You want to hit download, and once the file is downloaded, you want to hit open. But by default, the installing from other sources is disabled. So you want to head into settings, you want to go with allow from the source, and then you can simply hit install. And now your WhatsApp is installing without Google Play Store. That's really cool. As you can see now, app is installed and it is ready to use without any issues. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.